In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams email address. Whether you're switching to a new email provider or simply updating your contact details, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the following URL: https://teams.live.com/v2s. This is the online version of Microsoft Teams where you can access various settings and make necessary changes. Once you're there, log into your Teams account if you haven't done so already. If you're prompted for any two-factor authentication, be sure to complete that process as instructed, ensuring your account's security. Upon logging in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find an icon consisting of 3 dots. This is commonly referred to as the More Options button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and proceed to click on Account and Orgs. This section contains various account management options that we'll need to access. Next, find and click the Manage button. This action will take you to a page where you can make adjustments to your account details, including your email address. Once the page loads, focus your attention on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu labeled with several options. Click on the section titled Your Info. This area contains all the personal account details you can modify. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Info. Here, you'll notice an option to edit account info. Click on this, and you'll be directed to a form where you can update your primary email address. Before inputting your new email, you'll need to remove your current email address first. Click on the field containing your current address and erase it. Once that's done, enter the new email address you'd like to associate with your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure there are no typos, as any mistake could lead to you not receiving important emails. After you've entered the new address, review it to confirm its accuracy. When you're ready, proceed by saving the changes. This action will update your email information, and you should receive a confirmation that your email address has been successfully updated, and that's all there is to it. You've now changed your email address on Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you can ensure your contact details are always up to date, helping you stay connected with your teams and projects seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day!